I wanted to explain regioselective reactions. During the elimination process, if two or more than two alkenes are formed, to identify which is the major product, there are two rules. One is Sedgwick's rule, another one is Hoffman's rule. According to Sedgwick's rule, the alkene with more number of alkyl substituents is formed as major product, because base prefers to abstract hydrogen from the carbon with less number of hydrogens to give major product. Sometimes alkene with less number of alkyl substituents around CC double bond also formed as major product. That is called Hoffman rule. So the difference between these two, Hoffman and the Sedgwick product, alkene with more number of alkyl substituents is Sedgwick's product. Alkene with less number of alkyl substituents around CC double bond is Hoffman product. Generally, in 90% cases of elimination reactions, Sedgwick's product is the major product, but only in few cases, Hoffman product is the major product. Now, the conditions for Hoffman elimination. When bulky base is used, bulky base like tertiary butoxide in tertiary butyl alcohol, such type of bulky base is used, Hoffman product is formed as major product. When poor leaving group is there, poor leaving group like F minus, Hoffman product is the major product. When gamma carbon is neocarbon, when gamma carbon is neocarbon, at that time also elimination occurs according to Hoffman's rule. Hoffman product will be the major product. Similarly, thermal elimination reactions. Thermal elimination reactions. Thermal elimination reactions, just without using base, just by heating from the substrate, elimination occurs to give alkenes. In this thermal elimination reactions also, alkene with less number of alkyl substituents around CC double bond is formed as major product. Hoffman product is formed as major product. These thermal elimination reactions are two types: Hoffman elimination reaction and Cope elimination reaction. So generally during the regioselectivity, Sedgwick's rule and Hoffman's rule we have to follow. In 90% of the elimination reactions, we can get Sedgwick's product as major product. Only in 5 to 10% of the elimination reactions, we can get Hoffman's product as major product. So you have to remember these 5 cases. Under these 5 cases, Hoffman product will be the major product.